Hello everyone! In this video, I'll teach you how to create an ornament using curves. For this, we'll create a Bezier curve, then delete it, and design a shape like a petal with the Draw tool. Next, we switch to Object mode. Convert the drawn curve to a mesh, and in Edit mode, select all vertices. With the help of the Loop Tools add-on, we adjust their spacing, then right-click to relax or smooth them. Here we also select the vertices at both ends of the mesh and close a curve with the F shortcut, then subdivide it. After selecting the object, using the Alt+E shortcut with the spin option, we create a circular shape of the object around the pivot point. The important point is to activate the Use Duplicates option. In Curve mode, we also add the Curve to Tube modifier and apply this after converting the curve to a mesh. Finally, if you want, you can Boolean it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please support this channel with a subscribe, comment, and like so you don't miss out on other useful tips.